In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to Facebook on Meta Business Suite. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account and that you have access to the Meta Business Suite for the page you want to post from. Once you're ready, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. You can usually get there by going to the business section of Facebook or by using the direct Business Suite URL if you have it bookmarked. When Meta Business Suite loads, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu. Scroll down that menu until you find the option labeled All Tools and click on it. This expands a full list of features that Business Suite offers, which is really useful when you're planning and managing content. From this expanded list, look for Planner and click on it. The Planner is your content calendar. It lets you see your upcoming posts and schedule new ones, which is where we're going to add our post with a link. Inside the Planner view, you'll see options to create new content. Look for the Create button. Depending on your layout, this might be a button in the Planner area itself, or you might see it in the top right corner of the page. Either option works the same way, so go ahead and click Create. A small menu will appear with different types of content you can make. Choose Create Post. This opens the Post Composer where you can write your caption, add media, and importantly, attach a link. In the Post Details section, you'll see a text field for your main caption, and underneath it, a row of icons. Look for the link icon, which usually looks like a small chain. Click on that icon to open the link input area. Now click into the link field and paste your URL. This should be the link you want people to visit, such as your website, a landing page, or a specific article. After you paste the link, give it a moment. Facebook may generate a preview depending on the type of link. Once you're happy with the link you've added, click Save. This confirms the link attachment and returns you to the main Post Composer where you can double check your caption, media, and any other details. Finally, when everything looks good and you're ready to share it with your audience, click Publish. Your Facebook post will go live with the link included, ready for your followers to click and visit.